Let's purchase our plan on Hostinger. So we'll be using Hostinger for hosting our WordPress website. So I've searched it. The first result will be Hostinger. Let's go there. And here you will see the options of pricing. So let's go to pricing. And here you can see these are the different services or offerings which Hostinger is providing. So I'll just go to the web hosting because for us, we want to host our WordPress. Now, here there are two options: type of hosting, which we have already chosen, like web hosting. There can be Node.js, cloud hosting, other stuff, and the length of the subscription. So the important thing is here, if you reduce the length of the subscription, then the amount of money you need to pay every month will be more. So if you go for 12 months, so you can see it is around $2.99 per month, which is around $2 to $3. If you go to 48 per month, it is around $199, which is around 1 point something dollar. I am going to choose the unlimited plan because I have already connected my YouTube channel to my website, because people go watch there and go to my blog. So that's why I need somewhat more resources. So if you see the premium and the unlimited, so the most important factor here is this one, that is the RAM and the CPU cores. So the CPU core is 2 for the unlimited, but for the RAM, here it is 3 GB and on the premium it is 2 GB. Also, you need to check the PHP worker, so it is 60. There is unlimited free SSL for everything. So I have already decided that I'm going to choose this unlimited plan. So what I'm going to do for 48 months, so I'm going to do, click on this one, claim deal. So what it takes you to the next page, and here you have unlimited plan something. Now I've already found a coupon code on using the chat GPT. So you can also search for fresh coupon codes or something. So I am using this coupon code. I'll just copy it and paste it here. You can also use it. And I think it would be available during that time also. So if you see that in Indian rupees, it already deducted around 1500 rupees, which is too much. So I have to pay 9580. So let's do continue. And I am going to do what? I am going to register it from my email. So I'll select my email address, the primary email address, and it takes me to the Google login. It will take some time to log in here. Now it will ask me to fill up the billing address. So you just need to put your first name, last name, country. So then I'll hit on continue. I'm not going to add any company details. So let's see, does it change the price? No, it is not changing any price. Now I need to do payment. So here for India, it is giving card, UPI, PayPal or something. So I'll choose UPI and then I'm going to use submit payment, and it will take me to my this one UPI ID. So you need to put your UPI ID and everything, and basically it is going to purchase it. So it is going to open the bank page, and then it will ask my app, mobile app. From the mobile app, I'll allow it. So you can see that the payment is done, and basically it is now taking me to the control panel of Hostinger. So it is asking me some answers here, like hello, who is this website for? Myself or my business. So I'll just say next. Do you want to create or migrate your website? I'll say create a website. Next. How do you want to build a website? So that would be WordPress. So let's do next. So create a login details for your WordPress account. Okay, so I'll just see what is the WordPress admin email will be this one. I'll just copy the password for myself. So, and then basically I'm going to do next. Use temporary domain name. I'll say as of now use a temporary domain name, India. So I am from India, so I'll say India, and it is saying I'm installing the WordPress. So this may take time. Okay, so it is 100% done, and it is saying ready to go. It's time to build your online success. So it is saying choose how you'd like your website to be built. I'll just say pre-build website. I'll go to next, and then I'll take anything, whatever you like, just select it, and then basically continue. So it is saying recommended plugins are this. So as of now, I'll deselect all. I am not going to add anything. I'll add it manually. So I am going to do next. It will be installing the template. It may take some time. Now you can see that my website is up and running here. I'll just do this one. I'll click on save, and then I will do what? I'll go to the main website. So this is the main thing. I'll come out from here and you can see I am getting all the all the options that comes in the WordPress, and this is my host name. So I'll just say visit site and it will take me to my website, which is a temporary name. We'll do later how we'll change the host name, like connect to a real domain and everything, because I've already purchased it. So there is this account, about, activities, testimonial and everything. So as you can see, this is how we have purchased the Hostinger plan. We have gone for 4 years because we wanted a small amount of money to be spent. So basically I purchased it and the website is up and running. So we have done this step.